Welcome guys, and welcome back to our next video of ours.
Yes, people, and for this week's video, Shadeka and I will be doing a seafood boil.
Yum! Alright guys, so you know, if you guys are OG followers from us, you will know that we did one for my birthday vlog. So if you guys haven't seen that one, you can see when we did it the first time. Remember, it's a vlog as well, so you'll be seeing what I did for my birthday during quarantine. So
yes,
go check that out. But for today's video, we have like an updated version. When I did it, lobster wasn't in season, and some we try some different things in it. Just a little bit different.
Tweak it,
little bit.
Shadeka put sweet potato.
Yeah, so we're trying something a little bit new, and you know, because the first one did so well, as in it tastes good. Some people invite themselves. But anyways guys, it's gonna be a quick, easy recipe. It's something that's going to enjoy. It is delicious. If you're a lover of seafood, stay till the end of this video. We're gonna show you our Caribbean Jamaican flair take on it. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
So sit back and relax guys while we bring you through the food journey of the seafood boil. Jamaican style.
Caribbean influenced.
Cue the intro!
Alright guys, so in our previous video we kind of showed how we cleaned some of the seafood. Last time the blue crab came pre-cleaned. So guys, if you haven't seen that video, you guys can check it out. Reminder, I'll have it in the link up here. There? Yeah. But anyways, he's going to be showing how to do the blue crab, and he'll show you what else we're working with.
Yes. So this is a male crab. Judging by how that's up my shape. As you can see, different from this one. Alright, so the only thing I did was to lift up this and here, so put the knife under here, so and just ring it under there. And bam! Jesus is Lord! This is exposed and the top shell come off. And you just clean and wash out what is inside of it. And that is how you clean a blue crab. So I'm gonna do the next one so I can see. Again, lift up here, so push the push the knife under here, so, and turn, and shell come off. I figured that out in one try. No more try. And my friends, that is it. Only thing I do next, I have to clean off them soft something here because they're not edible. Don't try to eat them. And what you're left with is just shell, because them blue crab are small. Last time they get some big one, even though them clean. Which we will get some more. But that's such is life. So this finished clean people. Yep, that is it.
Okay guys, so you would have just seen all of these chops up, so we're going to explain what we'll be using, and as we go along you'll see what we're using them for. So right here, this is for the boil actually. So we'll have thyme, we'll have about 1.5 onion fully chopped, we'll have scallion underneath it, we'll have 1 entire scotch bonnet pepper cut in half, we'll have how much garlic? 1 head of garlic, and we'll have this is half a lemon cut in 4, and then for the this is for the boil, and then this is mostly for the sauce now guys. So we will have
vegetable soup.
Yes.
Seafood spice, garlic powder,
more seafood
spice, Cajun seasoning.
This is cayenne pepper. And we have all-purpose. We have a lot of Maggi vegetable bouillon to be exact, and we have black pepper. And then for the boil you're gonna have to have sides. So we're gonna have corn. And then we're gonna have Irish potatoes.
Our brands shown in this video, we need sponsors. Thank you very
much. We're supposed to just blur them out. But anyways, guys, continue with the process.
So now all of them chopped season, we are dashing out the pot.
So I'll make it just a quick thing.
Just want them to boil now. We're going bubble up.
Okay, guys, so Chef is making a little concoction. This is actually salt and sugar, and he's going to add this to the water next along with pimento seeds. Alright, so wash the pimento and my finger
magic seeds.
Say now add more?
No.
Okay. Then that's the sugar and the salt. Oh wow, you see that reaction, guys.
Now that is done, we're putting the seafood in it.
Alright, so the crab going
in the pot.
Definitely is the crab.
Going a pot with the little minions.
The crab is going to take one of the longest to cook. So the crabs, the crayfish, everything that we have actually, except for the lobster. Alright, so the pot is perfect to hold everything right now. As we said, we're going to add the lobsters at the very end.
For the OG fan, remember when the king crab couldn't go in our pot?
We couldn't fit in a little pan, guys. The pot upgrade now.
It's a piece of lobster. Meat.
Yeah, so we put that in last. Alright, so we're going to submerge everything. You may have to add more water to sink it. No, it's good? No, it's not like you said you wanted more water. Yeah, because the water boiling hot.
Ready.
And then we're going to give this about 10 minutes and come back and check on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we just mix up the seasoning today. Butter, garlic, salt.
Alright guys, so this is the pot that we're going to use to make the sauce now. So we wanted a tall enough or a deep enough pot because we want to put like the corn and the butter. The corn and the butter, my god. The corn and the Irish in the butter sauce directly to soak up all that yumminess. And then we want it to, a lot so you can soak up into the meat yumminess. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so okay.
Depending on how it melts down, it's clear my mind.
Okay, so we're mixing some retail butter with some regular Anchor butter. Okay.
Sour, yeah. Never know butter could that taste so good. Butter makes it better.
Because butter make it taste better. Alright, no, but none of that.
Oh dear, again.
I ain't stole nobody's shit. It's out in the public for a reason.
Sorry to me. Look like the last little bar.
A soap. Yes.
That's what it look like.
Alright guys, so it's been.
I don't add no more because this is a lot.
Yeah, so this is a lot for our base. And then we're going to just start seasoning it as that last piece of soap there melts right out. It melts. Alright, so I'm going straight for the seasoning, guys. Alright guys, so this is our process so far. I think we're going to give it a next 5 minutes. Okay, back to the sauce now. And we're adding the seasoning that we just mixed. I think we may need more. I think we may need more. Yes, I told you. Alright, I'm gonna. Alright guys, so I just mixed up everything that he did before. This time I added black pepper and that's it. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna chop up about 5 cloves of garlic.
One head.
1 head of garlic actually. And we're gonna add it to this as well as some scallions.
Yeah.
Some onion and alright, so we're gonna add onion and garlic to it. And thyme. You guys gonna see. The crayfish and the crab is about to come out, so we're adding the lobster for like the next 5 minutes. So just have it, you know, cook fast. Alright, so we're just sinking it. I'm gonna cover it up for 5 minutes. Onto the sauce. So we just cut up a head of garlic as a head of garlic, and then we're going to do half a medium-sized onion. Okay. Then we're going to squeeze. Alright, then we're gonna add the other half of the lemon in the sauce. Guys, this is a hack for a strainer. Just get your seeds and pulp with your hand. You don't know them things, you know, belong in the kitchen. Oh, you never know that, babes? You know now?
Never remember. Yeah, I'm comfortable.
You don't like it? Yeah, I've seen people do it. Them as a strainer. Get the water. Alright, adding the scallion now.
Guys, if you hear noise in the background.
I just also at the first video. Cause we missed something. Alright guys, so we'll have a piece of lobster meat, I would say then.
A little salt tester. Okay, that is that. Just like a scoop.
If it was scrape them, yeah, because we need the water. Alright guys, so we're actually finished now. Look at this. Nobody can tell me say this don't look good. This is our version of our Caribbean, you know, Jamaican seafood boil. So you see the lobster, you see all the Irishes, everything soaked up and nicely infused with the butter sauce that we made. I'm gonna smack this down right now. Yeah, it's really good. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, please, 1,000 subscribers we're trying to hit right now. So subscribe if you're new, and if you enjoyed this content, please tell us down below what else you would want to see us make. And
if you're new to the channel, please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Yes guys, subbing is what we need.
Yes, we need
Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye.